everyone, I am back today with a review of probably the weirdest nail polish I have ever purchased. It's called That's La Dolce Velveeta Cheese Scented Nail Polish. Don't ask me why I bought it. I was curious and I had to try it. And you're probably wondering, does it smell like cheese? Keep watching and we'll talk about it. So I picked up this set on Nails Inc.'s website. It was around $15. And I also picked up the stickers that go along with it because why not? And those were only $5. So here are both of the colors that's in the set. The red is called Finger Food and the yellow is called La Dolce Velveeta. I immediately like the red better than the yellow, but of course I hadn't tried either one of them. The top just pops off, and I'll also show you what the brush looks like. I actually really like this type of brush, so I was impressed that both of them did have this brush. And of course the red is the same, the top pops off, and it has the same brush as well. So the first color that I tried was the yellow. I applied one coat first and I noticed that it was not very full coverage. So of course, with anything, I was going to do a second coat. So when I did a second coat, it was still streaky. So overall on the yellow, I ended up doing 3 coats. For the red polish, I ended up doing 2 coats because it was actually more full coverage than the yellow. And as I was painting my nails, I kept getting a whiff of what these polishes smell like. Now, I don't think they smell like Velveeta cheese at all, but I do think they smell like the powder cheese that you get with some macaroni and cheeses. And it was a little nauseating as I was painting my nails. Now, when the color is on your nails, it does not smell like cheese at all. It smells like nail polish. When it dries, it has a smell, but it doesn't smell like cheese to me. Just when I painted my nails is when I noticed some sort of cheese scent. Overall, I would use these again. I would probably use the red more than the yellow, but I mean, I liked them both, but just the smell. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.